Yeah, because some of you may facing this internet not stable problem. So if you got this problem, maybe you can ask for the recording from Mr. Lai. Okay. Okay, clear. Okay. So we have a very limited time. So 1 hour, but I'm trying to finish all inside. Okay. So why today you want to join this Form 4 Topical class? Can I ask Alisa? Okay, Alisa, you're already good enough. I think your result almost A level already. Okay, 70 above already. Why you still want to join Form 4? This is only Form 4 topic. Lisa here. Alvin also. Alvin, you are Form 5 already, right? You can just open mic. It's okay. Can you give my part to somewhere else? What's the mean? Or you are outside. So Samira, okay, Samira, it's okay. Never mind. Yeah, later I will ask Alisa to do it. Okay, Alisa will take place Shamira one. No problem, Shamira. Okay. Samira, no problem. Okay, Lisa will take place. It's okay. Want to strengthen my base for Form 4. Okay, you see, so actually, most of the students also, they're facing a problem like this. Form 4, because they still haven't really matured yet, because they are still trying a lot of things. Okay, because maybe still playful, I can say. Don't know how to manage the time also. So maybe you skip a lot of the important part in the Form 4 syllabus. So now it's time to you to boost and to catch up. Can, Alvin? Okay. So you see, you have 72 days more to facing for your SPM. For those Form 5. Okay, Form 4, you are good because you still have more time to prepare. Shenzhong also, right? Shenzhong also Form 5, right? Okay, fill in the attendance. If not, I very difficult to call your name also. Because I'm based on the list here. Okay, so Jai already helped Mr. Lai to copy. Then you just paste it, can? I think Shenzhong haven't write down the name. We have 21 students here. Okay, so try. Oh, cannot write. Okay, so we will continue for 15 and 16. Continue here for the Y month. Then list 2. Okay, we start from 15 is Chang Huai Man. Chang Huai Man School SMJK Confusion. Okay, so the other continue, can? Thank you. Okay, so today attendance here. Okay, so we will go to number 1. Yan Ming. Yan Ming can just open your mic, or you can just give me answer directly. Okay, those haven't continued. Okay, one Yan Ming cannot. Yan Ming here. Yan Ming, the first question asks you state the 4 information you can get from the above standard representation. The perwakilan piawai. This one we call standard representation. Actually, it's come from our periodic table. Okay, Yan Ming you can open mic. This is sodium.
Actually, I typed in the chat already.
Okay. You can just copy and paste again.
Okay.
So this is the element sodium 23. So Yan Ming, you just tell teacher, the first question asking you 4 marks here. So you have to give 4 points, right? Yan Ming. So 4 points included this information from the diagram. So the first point, the what is what?
The element is sodium.
Yes, we are focused on this one. Okay, so you have to name it. The element is sodium. Very good. You see, now teacher is emphasized for the keyword. All your answer must write down in the keyword form. Okay, so number 2.2. The watt number is what?
Proton number is 11.
Very good. Proton number is 11. You see, the third mark you will get is the
Nucleon number is 23.
neutron number is 23. Is it different with neutron number? Can I use neutron number for the sentence? Can I change to neutron number or not? Neutron number.
I don't think so.
So neutron actually is the terms, the specific terms. So we have the definition here. So then you can explain what is neutron number.
So nucleon number is the total number of protons and nucleons and neutrons in the nucleus.
Is the total number of proton plus neutron. So we can only use neutron number. So itu ialah kata nama yang khas lah, neutron number khas untuk proton dengan neutron. So remember, never use the word start with. Okay, never write the terms start with neutron number. Okay, remember we don't accept this term. We don't have neutron number. Okay, what is inside the syllabus? We have only accept neutron number or proton number. Okay, very good. Thank you. You score all 3 marks. The last mark, how? Mean the number of what is what?
The number of neutrons is 12.
Yes. So now you can use neutron, but you have to change to number of neutron. Okay, no neutron number. Number of neutron is 12. Good. Settle. So Tangy get all the total mark, 4 marks here. Very good. Very good. I think it's perfect. Okay, but still got one more mistake in this diagram. Okay, anyone can spot it. Not Tangy answer. It's from my definition. Tangy answer perfect already. Very good, Tangy. So Tangy, do you agree with my definition from this text box, from this character? Can you find any mistake inside the statement? Anyone can help also, no problem. You can just voice out your opinion. Actually, our class is more like the brainstorming. Everyone, you can just voice out. Okay, the more you voice out, the more you gain. Samenda, Sagenta. Okay, you just say on it whatever you think is not good, you think is not proper inside the answer, then you can just mention, you can just remind Mr. Lai. Okay, any mistake inside the statement. This one.
Maybe after the word nucleus can add on of an atom.
Yes, you are right. Very good thing. Yanming. Okay, it's very difficult to call it. Yanming. Yanming, right?
Or you can just call me Tang. Is also okay.
Tang, okay. Because I remember Tang only. I cannot remember Yanming. So Tang, you see, you are good, very good, because you observe the small mistake at the back, because I don't put in the atom. You see. In the nucleus of the atom, of the atom. So every time you mention about electron, proton, neutron, you have to give the terms atom. Okay, this one is important. The most important first thing, every time you give definition or explanation, you can't forget this atom word. Remember. Because this is so many times already. Your senior or candidate SPM will get deduct marks because of this atom. So very be careful. Okay, good. Okay, I think very good. Can see I think it's very stable. I think you are prepared well for SPM already, right? Tomorrow can go to the exam hall for chemistry. Okay, Jia Yi here.
Oh.
So Jia Yi, your question is 6 marks. So how are we going to distribute this 6 marks? First thing we have to analyze first. The question asks Jia Yi, sodium 24 is the isotope. Okay, it's the isotope. So for 23, that means they are added same family. So Jia Yi, you need to draw it, you need to describe it. So explain why their family is same isotope. So do you think drawing will give you how many marks?
2.
2 marks, very good. How about the describe the atomic structure? We are going to describe what happened inside.
4.
You need to explain. So here got marks here.
1 marks.
1 marks for which one?
Describe.
Describe 1 mark. So how about the explanation? 3 marks. Okay. So it's okay. You just predict only. Okay, as long as you can try to analyze this 6 marks from where. So when you write answer, you have to be careful. Okay, but I can see not so logic because Jia Yi, you can see from the explanation, describe it describe that structure. You can more than 1 mark because you have a lot of things to describe, right? You can describe in the terms of proton. Okay, you can describe in the terms of neutron. And you got 2 to describe. One is 24, one is 23. So you can see here got 1 mark, 2 mark here already. Okay. So actually, I think 2 here it's okay. You just try and see the schema. For the point 1, Jia Yi. So for drawing, yes, you are right, 2 marks. So point 1, point 2 is from your drawing. So the first one, we must drawing nicely. So you draw correctly, electron number, all correct, you can get 1 mark. So second mark, what is second mark from? The point 2 from. After you draw everything, so your teacher will remind you, Jia Yi, remember to what?
The nucleus.
Here, nucleus, yes.
Yeah.
Nucleus must label it, right? Must draw it and label it, right? Okay, yes. After you draw all the shell and the electron, right? So you have to be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 electron. Okay, so you got 11 electron. So 11 proton. So you have to label inside also. You have to show how many neutron because 23 minus 11, you will get 12. You will get, 24 this one. Because this one we are drawing for 24. So you will get 13 for neutron. Okay, this is proton. Okay, so every time you done drawing, you have to label it. This label also will give you marks. Okay, so drawing and also labeling. Give you this one. Okay. So you see my answer here. Okay, I need to diagram correctly and labeling correctly. So must have a good diagram, drawing diagram, and also you must have labeling. Okay. You can see, for the question they're asking you draw the 24 only, so you draw 1 enough. Okay, if you draw 2 also no problem, no wrong. Okay, but the most important 24 must show. Okay, so the point 3, Jia Yi, sodium 24 has how many protons?
11.
11. So you just fill in 11 easier. And also you just follow how many neutrons inside?
13.
13, very good. 13. So in the what?
Nucleus of atom.
Nucleus, okay, good. You have to mention atom can. Nucleus of atom, very good. And 23 also got how many?
11.
11 also, but neutron become less. 12. So also in the nucleus of atom. So you see, Jia Yi, after I train her, become very careful already. Every single word also be careful. Point 4, Jia Yi.
Same electron.
Same electron. Both contain. You have to mention how many electrons. You cannot not specific. Must specific answer.
11.
11 also. Very good. 11 with the electron arrangement of what? So you can show 2.8 point. 8 point. How many?
1.
1. Very good. So 11. So you see, you got 0.4, 0.5, and then the last point will be
Isotopes.
yes, because they are calling. Why they are calling isotope? Because they are from same family. Same family with this what number is same?
Proton.
Proton number is same. Very good. Same number of proton, but different number of neutrons. You use the keyword neutron. Okay. Very good. Perfect. Our Jia Yi scored all the marks here. So you can see, explain the isotope. Actually, it comes from 0.1, 2, 3. Very good. So Jia Yi, very good. Jia Yi, do the analyze of question. Very good. See, 3 marks here. All inside here, 3 marks. Oh, and Jia Yi say drawing 2 marks also correctly. Very good, Jia Yi. Good estimate. And the 1 mark is for explanation only. Wow, very good, Jia Yi. This schema you done before. You do this question before.
Didn't.
Okay, so good. Jia Yi, happy with your answer. So you get total all 6 marks here. Okay, with the drawing marks like this. So every time remember when you draw diagram, remember you must have the nucleus inside, right?
Yeah.
Your teacher will ask you draw one more round, one more circle inside to put the nucleus. You can bracket it, no problem. And then you can label outside 13p, 11 neutron, 13 neutron, sorry. 13 neutron, 11 proton. You can do like this, Jia Yi. Your school teacher also ask you to draw like this. As long as you need to show the nucleus inside. You cannot first round start with electron already. That means no nucleus inside, then wrong. See? I can bracket it and then I label outside. No problem. Can but it's because this question they ask you to show the structure already. They ask you to show structure. So this structure is compulsory. Without this structure, without this labeling, 13 and 11, the marks will gone. Can? Okay, like this one, very simple, right? Very simple. Okay, very happy. Everyone agree with our Jia Yi answer? Anyone objection? You can raise our hand. You can do like this. You can type negative. When you type negative means teacher no, you are not happy with our discussion. See, got response already. I have to check who disagree. You can type negative means you not agree. Okay, you type positive one, good. Okay, negative one means you disagree. Okay, try option. Okay, positive one is agree, so no problem. So I can check your response. Anyone can do it now. No problem. If you type positive one, that means this question for you all, no problem. Perfect. Perfect 6 mark here. Very good. For Jia Yi, you will give perfect 6 mark here. Very good. I give Jia Yi a like here. Are you same with me? Okay, Roxanne all agree. Very good. Very good. How about Alisa Yongziwen? I didn't see your response. Samantha also agree already. Okay, good. Vinesh also agree. Sakenta. Okay, you agree. All agree. Very good. I think I have some more students haven't filled in the name yet. Try. Complete the name. Complete it. Name list if you haven't. Okay. Oh, positive. Very good, Alisa. Yes. So nobody disagree with me, huh? Very good. No? Really no? Give one more chance. I think. Jetish, Jiayin, you know my character, right? I'm not so easily to let you all go through. Sure, must be some track inside. Okay, yes. I will deduct your 2 marks from your answer. Okay, 6 point only got. Okay, see? Wow, I feel so successful, because today I've managed to kill everyone in one question. Very good, very good. Good try. 21 students all been killed. Okay, Samantha, Alisa, how can you also careless today? Anyone spot 2 error from the answer? 2 error from answer. Hurry up, spot them. Yeah, Lisa, you see, now you joining Mr. Lai class, okay, definitely you won't regret, because you spend this 1.5 hours, maybe more than 1 hour, I will give extra. Okay, you will really learn some skill, very useful skill, especially for those really want to go for the SPM for 3 months. Okay. Same number of electron. Where got same number of electron? Same number of electron. Alisa, you open mic. Same number of electron. Which part? Li Yi said 11p, 11 proton, yes. 13, 11 proton, right? I follow this one, right? Any wrong? No wrong, right? It's 11, right? You count already, right? 11, 11 electron, 11 proton. Where got mistake? Li Yi. Label wrong? Where got label wrong? 11p here. 13 neutron. Where? No problem. Alisa, you open mic. What's your reason? Same number of electron. What's the mean? Alvin, Alvin?
Yes, Mr. Lai, here.
You can't spot any mistake.
One possibility is the 0.6, no? You didn't write the different number of neutrons in the atom.
Different number of neutron.
Neutrons in the atom.
Oh, okay. So good. Thank you. Okay. So we just add in, Thank you, Alvin. This one is the 3rd mistake. So not inside my 2 mistake. Thank you, Alvin. You got a new one for me. Okay, good. I just add in for you, Alvin. In the but still couldn't hear. Still got 2 error. Alvin, you still have to spot another 2 for me. So pity like you all. Yeah. In the nuclear can? No problem. Okay. You see, so pity you all. 21 already be my prey. Now I'm very top hunter already. I bring you all to the battlefield now.
Mr. Lai, give tip. Cannot find answer. Gifted.
It's okay, no problem. I give you chance to think. This is called brainstorming. Asmi is who from where? Okay, welcome Asmi. Asmi, sign in attendance. Can sign in now. Okay, join let Asmi. It's okay. Now we are doing the brainstorming for this question. Okay, I will take the photo for you all. So later you all join the group. Then I will post answer lah. Today still cannot find out answer. Then only I will announce it. Can? Brainstorming is good. After that, you won't make a same mistake in the SPM anymore. It's good for you all to grow. Spot 2 mistake in my 6-point answer. Okay, good. Yes. Didn't draw sodium 23? No. Lee, just like I say, the question asked you already. Draw only 24. They are asking you 24 only. One only. So Lee, no problem. Okay. Now I leave it to you all. Remember, I'm the top hunter. You all become my prey. Welcome to another prey, another perangkap. Okay, another deadly trap. Sagenta, how are you? For question number 1, can you tell Mr. Lai, what is X? What is Y? The physical state.
X is liquid and Y is gas.
Okay, how you know it's liquid? I think it's more to solid because they are near to each other.
But they are not in an orderly manner, so
Very
it's
good,
liquid.
So normally when your school teacher asks you to draw for solid, how many atoms you will draw? Sagenta inside the box. Sagenta will draw how many for the best view of the solid? Sagenta.
5/3.
5/2.
3 row and then 5
Oh,
column.
3 row. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5 row. Last time you say 5. How many 1 row?
5.
5 row. Oh, so many. Okay, so then how many I have to draw?
3.
Another 3 lah. Is that? Okay. Good. Can. Okay, so total lot. How many here? 15 lah. Okay. So 15 lah. Okay, as long as you cannot draw like me like drawing now not is nice My drawing is not nice because using mouse. Okay, cannot you got space For the solid the perfect one is you can draw 9. Okay, 3 times 3 means 9 3 times 3. So maximum you draw 9 enough to show that all the particle susun sangat orderly. The susun okay. So Sagenta, for the first one, this process we call what name? From the liquid to gas.
Evaporation.
Very good. Evaporation process. The second one will be gas.
Condensation.
Condensation is a what natural phenomena in daily life? Condensation.
Raining.
Yes. Now raining very heavy, right? Your house area there, any floating? Sagenta?
No.
You are not from West Malaysia.
I'm in KL, but my area there's no flat.
Oh, okay. Oh, very pity especially the Lembah Klang the Klang place all floating already. All the tilang cannot use. Thank you, Sagenta. Very good. Okay. So now we go to the next one because Sagenta 2 marks question. Perfect. Done. Everything done. Here you can see. Boiling and condensation. Okay, one problem. Boiling or evaporation? Okay, because the diagram didn't show anything. We can accept both also. Only if the diagram show that the process is not under heating, then must be evaporation. If the process is under heating, then must be boiling. Okay, so you have to depend on the situation. Okay, like this, they never show any fire. If got fire, must boiling. Careful. Okay, number 2, Patricia. Hi, Patricia can open mic. Patricia, you need to do the 8 marks question. Samantha will do another 4 for you, Patricia. So Patricia, hi. Arrange the particle here. Movement of the particle here. Okay, and the force of the attraction between the particle and the energy content. So Patricia can listen to Mr. Lai. Can hear the sound. Okay, so Patricia. Okay, Patricia can. Patricia, you got mic. You can try open. Okay, so Mr. Lai want to ask you a question. Okay, so you see, Patricia, your question is, because they already tell you very nicely what they want. So actually, this question no need to analyze anything. You just follow the flow. You got 4 important things to explain. So you have one is X, another one is Y. So this question recommend you all to do in the table form. Actually, it's best. Do the table form, you can save a lot of time. You don't need to write so many words. So you just follow the question asking arrangement of particle. How, Patricia? The particle are what? Okay, you can just answer. Samantha, ready? Your answer is the particle are what? So we can do the comparison. This question is not tough. Okay, it's only memahami only. The particle are loosely arranged. Okay, loosely arranged. You use the keyword loosely. How about Patricia? The particle are what arranged? So closely arranged. Very good. Closely. In and what manner? And Samantha, arranged in and what manner? But are what from one another? In an orderly manner. Why is in the orderly manner? Okay, we check first. Orderly manner. Okay, Patricia say arranged in an not orderly manner. But are far apart. Far apart, very good. We use the keyword quite far apart. That means they got distant. They got distant. We continue see first. The movement of the particle, Patricia. Particle move what? Move faster or slower or how? The liquid form can how? This is the liquid. This is the gas form. Right? So the answer for the second one, Patricia. The movement how? The particle move how? And they were what with each other? Okay, Samantha, yours what? The particle move quickly and randomly reaction. Very good. Samantha used the keyword randomly. Move quickly. Samantha used the keyword quickly and show that they are randomly moving in all different directions. So direction. Very good, Samantha. How about Patricia? Patricia say move slower. Okay, move slower can. Thank you, Asmi. Slower. And what else? This one we can put what keyword? Which keyword can use? Anyone can help? Just give answer. Because we are out of time. I still got a lot of track to give you all try. Okay, slower and vibrate. Very good, Ivan. Wow, finally I found very smart student. Ivan, good. You use a very good keyword. We use vibrate. Vibrate for the solid is very, very suitable. because they cannot move like they vibrate for the liquid. This one for liquid or this one not solid or if solid can vibrate or yeah, I think vibrate is not proper. Sorry, Ivan, sorry. Vibrate is for solid. Ivan, vibrate for solid. Okay, sorry. I also mix up. This one is for liquid, so we should use the word collide. Yes, Alisa, you are good. Collide. Be careful. So the keyword, all keywords are important. You can score all the M marks, depends on all the keyword, whether suitable or not. Force, how? Patricia, your force. And the Samantha, how's your force? Very strong, Patricia said, very good, strong. This one very weak. So the energy content, which one is high, which one is low? Very high energy content, very good. Samantha. And then this one, very low lah, huh? Very low, right? Patricia, agree. Okay. Any changing of your answer? Patricia and Samantha? Both of you, 4 marks, 4 marks. So if you all together, then you will score all the marks, 8 marks. Agree? 8 marks inside, or anyone agree? You can put +1. You not disagree, you are disagree, you give teacher -1. And you give suggestion. In orderly manner, I'm not sure. Yeah, arrange in orderly. Yes, here. Do you think gas still can orderly? Samantha? Still considered orderly? You see? Orderly means tersusun dengan ada tersusun lah. 没有这样乱啊。So you see, this one actually randomly, just how you say randomly move already. Move randomly means they cannot susun already. Dia tak boleh tersusun sudah. Yes. So must be careful with the keyword. So orderly we cannot accept. We try not to use orderly. We change what word? Better words for the orderly. We don't use orderly. Arrange in loosely. That's why I saw the words loosely. That's why I saw anyone. I thought liquid is moderate. Moderate. Which one moderate? Lee, you can open mic. Which one moderately? Disorder. Force of attraction. We got. Force of attraction is moderate. Okay, this one you don't use strong. Lee say we use the word moderate because strong maybe we can leave it for the solid, right? Lee, moderate. Very good, you see. We are doing brainstorming now, you see. We have so many eyes, then we can see. So we have to use very, very be careful observation and see and try to make it perfect. We change to the best keyword. The particles are closely arranged and in a not orderly. Okay, particles are loosely arranged. Okay, see? Disorderly for which part? Ask me. You use disorderly in a disorderly. Okay, can try use this word. Disorderly, right? Ask me. Disorderly, okay, good. So anything objection? If no, you can type +1 +1. So all agree, very good. +1, all agree. Okay. Can Alvin, no problem. Jason, Vinesh. Ziwen, what's your opinion, Ziwen? Okay, Form 4 student, you just learn this one, so you have to be very strong, this one. Okay, even though you see the small thing, look like very easy, right? But the egg mask maybe get deduct because of the single small mistake. So you have to be careful, very be careful. Alisa can. Alisa is my sniper. Yeah, she can observe very well. One, Alisa. Okay. No objection, Okay. No problem, means all correct, Cannot see anyone objection, Okay. Can agree, Alisa agree. Positive one. You type positive one. Thank you. Ming. Thank. Roxanne, okay. Roxanne, you want to change any words, any terms you think is not suitable, Roxanne? Jadish. 宣重 Waiman. Yes. Okay. Okay. No problem. Okay, no problem. Really okay, Azmi okay, Waiman okay, Chat. See. Okay, we compare. The particle are closely arranged. We cannot use closely actually. Okay, closely is for solid only. Okay, in an orderly manner. So it can say not arranged in an orderly. So we cannot say closely lah. So in a not orderly manner, then we can say this one. These two words actually is conflict already lah. You say closely, that means you already become solid. So actually we try to avoid this word, not use the word orderly. Okay. I can say not arranged in orderly, or you can say arranged in not orderly manner also can. Okay. So maybe this is a sentence problem. So we just modify it. We use the keyword not orderly here. Not arranged in orderly. Or we can say arranged in a not orderly, arranged in a disorderly manner also can. We change the word. Okay. Arranged, or we can prefer use the word. Okay. Arranged in disorderly manner. That's how Ines give me this suggestion, also very good. Okay, we can use this keyword. Arrange in disorderly arrangement, also very good. Okay, this one can use or this one we just leave it blank. Both also can actually. Can, Patricia. So you cannot use the keyword will cause the conflict. Conflict meaning means you will go on, the marks will go on. How about Samantha? They are loosely arranged and disorderly manner. So you see the answer. They are also not arranged in orderly. Actually, they are separated from each other. Samantha give me the same answer. Very good. Same meaning. Far apart actually is same. Far apart is same meaning with the separate. When the answer okay, giving the same meaning, no conflict, then they will accept. No problem. Okay. As long as you don't give the conflict answer. Okay. Disorderly can accept. Okay. Loosely arranged can accept. No problem. So actually all can. This one can. Okay. Okay. How about number 2? They are slow, move slower, slowly. Okay, we use the keyword slowly. Move slowly, or typing error. Okay, and collide each other. Very good. You see, all perfect. They are moved quickly and randomly. They are moved randomly and rapidly. Randomly here. Okay. Quickly, very good. Same meaning. All direction, you see, very good, Samantha. So this one, you want to say moderate, very good. Just now Lee say moderate. And this one, Samantha, can we adjust it. We have to say it's very weak lah, so we can emphasize it lah. Very weak, can Samantha? You just emphasize it lah. Okay, very weak, like this only. Okay, so you see look like very simple question but you see when we nervous when we go into exam hall, maybe you were really nervous, then come up another answer. So be careful. So don't underestimate all this very easy question. Can Samantha? Agree or not? 这个叫做马有四题。Okay, no matter how strong, how good you are, you don't too overconfident, because all this practice you must do a lot of practice. Okay, before you do exam, you still have to go through to strengthen your memory also. Remember lah. Okay. Because we easily to forget. A long time already, Form 4 you learn already. Okay. For the Hui Q, hi, Hui Q.
Hi, teacher.
Hui Q, your one is very, okay, not so tough. They are asking you, solid calcium carbonate is a component inside the kettle. So when you kettle use for a long time, you will see some solid calcium carbonate inside. So how to remove it? You are using acid. Okay, so Hui Q. Name the reactant. So Hui Q will just name it. Simple.
P1 is calcium carbonate and P2 is hydrochloric acid.
Calcium carbonate. Okay. This one is hydrochloric acid lah. Hydrochloric acid. Very good. So, no problem. This one so easy. Just ask you to write name. You can name it, then you can score well. You quick you. So Alisa, now your turns. Can you calculate what is the percentage of the calcium inside? Name the calcium salt.
Calcium chloride.
Calcium chloride. Calcium chloride here. So you name it only lah. This is also very simple. Okay, calcium chloride. How to calculate it? Calcium chloride. So how many percentage inside? Ca got how many percentage? So you use a calculator, you just press it.
36.04%.
36.04%. You count it again.
Yeah.
04. So this one, how many divide? Calcium, the mass for calcium is 40, right? 40 divide the total mass. Total mass means 40 plus 2 times 35.5, right? Okay, everyone agree? So simple. Alisa, no problem. 36.4, I think. No problem. 36.4. 04. It's 04. You have to mention 04. Alisa, okay. So Jason, now your turn. Jason, good. Alisa. Okay, Jason, can open mic already. Your question is show the equation how the acid is put inside. So the equation how, and then you have to calculate the volume. The volume of who? Volume of CO2. So volume of CO2 represent. You can use CN or DNQ also can. Up to you. You don't know. So every time you read the question, you highlight which one you want to find out. The chemical equation you need to find out for who? For hydrochloric acid and the calcium carbonate. So when the excess acid is put inside, so the formula must write properly. So thank you, Jason. Well done. Well done, Jason. Very effective. So I will write the equation for 2 marks here. Okay, for 2 marks here, equation must balance it. I think Jason done very well. Okay, so number of mole equal to how many? Jason say 50 gram divide. Yes, divide all this lah. I don't know how many. 52. 52 plus how many? 52 plus how many? It's 16. So you count. Okay. 100, I think, 100. So you will get 0.5, 0.5 equal 0.5. And then from the chemical equation, we can know how. We can know 1 mole produce 1 mole. 0.5 produce 0.5. Right? Okay, right? And the volume of CO2 equal to 0.5 times 24. Very good. Jason, very good. Okay, so you get 12. Yes, this is not so tough. Easier. Perfect. Can we get all the 5 marks here? Very good. Jason get all the 5 marks here, right? Anything want to correct it? Any mistake here? I think very good. The equation also done very well. Anything do you think is not good? Okay, so no problem. No, we go to the last one. Okay, or you want to give objection? Objection, you type negative. Negative, I mean you are not agree. Negative. So today notes here, I will send to you all for the discussion. Discussion answer. Okay. So no problem. Okay. Every time you write an answer, remember don't forget your unit also. More here. Very important also. Okay. The unit also. If I want to change to CNQ, can. I type 1000. Still can. Okay, we can accept 2 type of answer. No problem. Okay, how about Wyman this question? Okay, Wyman high, Wyman can open mic. Wyman, your empirical formula show that what? So define it, Wyman. State the difference between empirical formula and the molecular formula. So you have to differentiate it, and you have to count the empirical formulas first. Okay, so 4 mark question. So Wyman. 4 marks. That means Wyman here. Wyman can open mic. Empirical formula for how many marks? Wyman. So state the difference. How many marks? So you have to, according to marks, you have to give how many marks for the empirical formula. You have to count first. So determine. This one got 1 more. What is mean by the empirical molecular formula? So another question. Or 3 questions. 3 questions for 4 marks. So Wyman here. Okay, 3 marks for empirical. Wyman said 3 marks for empirical. So the define means 1 mark lah. Define it 1 marks here. Define. 1 mark for molecular. Okay, yes, 1 mark for molecular. Differentiation, 1 mark also, I think, right? And the calculation normally will 2 marks lah. So you can see total is also 1 mark. So different. So 1 mark here. Here's also 1. Total 1. Total is 2. So you got here 1 here, another 1 here. So here got 2. Okay, empirical formula show the what? So the ratio of element of the one in the compound. Okay, good. How we can check it is can. Okay, see, empirical formula is CH2O. CH2 2O. Okay, next, number 3, Wyman. The empirical formula show that the the simplest ratio, okay, is 2 to 4 to 2 2 4 2 2 4 2 2 4 2. Okay, good. The last one. Oh, molecular formula show that the ethanol acid solution consists of what? Consists of 2 carbon, 4 hydrogen. Very good, Wyman. And what else? 2 oxygen atom. Done. This. I think I typed wrong for you, Wyman. This one cannot be empirical formula. The question asked molecular formula. Wyman can modify it for me. This one should be molecular formula. Molecular formula. Okay, I think I mistaken type here. Okay, but not the question asking. Molecular formula only we want. Okay, Wyman will try change the answer to molecular formula definition. Okay, so we don't want the ratio already lah. We have to use the what word, what ratio. That's how Alvin give me very good. Alvin said simple ratio is for empirical. So molecular formula is what ratio? You have to specify that, Wyman. When you write answer, you cannot just say ratio only. Ratio means simplified or actual. Actual or simplified. So you have to specify. Every time you write answer, specific, be specific. Without specific, then deduct mark, no mark at all. Very pity. Must be specific. Actual ratio or simplified. See? Try. Anyone can help. Wyman also. So we can go further. We have more questions at the back. So we have to use the actual number, right? We have to use the number, actual number. Okay, actual ratio of element of each element in the compound. Yes, we use the keyword actual. Actual ratio. Okay, good. Can or can make it more completely? I think we need to one actual what ratio. Kalau saya nak nombor pula saya tak mahu ada fraction, tak mahu ada 0.01. I want the perfect whole what. You have to use the keyword. If can, you better write the whole number. Yes, Wyman, very good. Actual whole number ratio. If can okay, but sometimes you see some ratio they don't have whole number ratio. If can, then we make it more completely It's no wrong we write more compare with less Actual whole number ratio, very good, Wyman. So I can see the keyword actual here. I can see actual whole number ratio. Okay, must have element of atom. Must have the keyword Okay, keyword atom in what? So you must answer in what? In compound. Okay. So you remember your keyword. Very useful lah. Okay, in compile lah. Okay, agree ah. Okay, no problem here. How Hui-Q, you have to become more active. If not, I cannot generate your brainstorming. Now I want you all to think. You cannot. If you can just open mic, you just voice out. Then I can see what inside your brain. Actually, what you are thinking. You have to let teacher know so that I can try to help you to stimulate your brain. I start with we start with Li. How Li for 1, 2, 3, 4 points are all correct, or do you have anything disagree? Li, that's right. Because today workshop, you are not only listen to teacher teaching you only, but yourself have to move up. Yourself have to let your brainstorming. You have to let your brain think. What is the mistake inside? Actually, I'm trying to lead you, to guide you to spot your own mistake. Not I'm the one to telling you. I'm the one telling you. Next time you go at SPM hall inside, you will still make the same mistake. I think the ratio is 1 to 1 because empirical. Okay, so the ratio got wrong. Okay, where got wrong? Check. D said not good. So C, which, oh, so when we want to simplify it, we divide lah, huh? Now we got 2C ma, we divide 2. We got 4H ma, so divide 2, become 2 lor. We got 1O ma, divide 2 also, see? Ready? So the ratio will be 1, 2, 1. Yes. So the question asks, the empirical formula, empirical formula. So you have to determine. So now we are using empirical formula. Why you give 2, 4, 2? Why here 2, 4, 2? Oh, why? Why you give 2, 4, 2? I also wonder why. Because you are not giving molecular formula. This one is empirical formula. Why man? Right? 2, 4, 2 is the actual number. So wrong. You have to change here. Can? Why man? Is it? This one is empirical formula, right? Okay. Can Why man? Okay. So we change it. Can 1, 2, 1. Why man? Okay. 1, 2, 1. Can. So be careful, because you are doing the empirical formula. You are not showing the 2, 4, 2. Yes, good. Okay, now 4 marks. Perfect. Samantha, today I haven't listened your opinion. What do you think, Samantha? Samantha, you think twice, think again. If I ask you, means something wrong already. Okay, you think again. Alisa, you also think again. Are you sure these 4 marks can get already? Inside your pocket? No solution. Very good, Alvin. Now you are trained well already. Alvin can see already. Very good, Alvin. You see something wrong with a solution. Why got solution? We never mentioned about solution or solution here. Ethanol acid. Okay. Ethanol acid here. Okay, got solution. Ethanol acid solution. Okay. But here we are not talking about solution, right? We are talking about molecular formula, right? So we cannot use the word solution. We are not doing the chemical reaction here. We are saying the formula. So your question is, state the difference. So you have to mention what is the difference. Molecular formula of the ethanol acid show that ethanol acid what? Yes, ethanol acid. So this ethanol acid is considered what? Is in the what form? Atom or molecule? Like this only. So you just use the chemistry term enough. You don't mention about solid liquid, gas, don't mention. Yes, you focus on, now you are talking about molecule. Yes, very good, Alvin. So we don't use this word, we use molecule enough. Always remember, use the proper keyword, must use chemistry terms. Okay, this is what Mr. Lai can share with you all with Mr. Lai teaching experience, and I found most common mistake from your senior, and try to collect them and analyze and try to make you easier to understand. Okay, to avoid you make a same mistake. Okay, make a so that remember molecule. Okay, good. Any else? Sagenta. Huiqiu. I'm so put highly expectation on you. Huiqiu. Can you help Mr. Lai to find one more error? I think not only one. This question I said so many traps. I think at least got two. Two more error. Two more error. Today all your performance not good. At least two. Two of them. Try spot it. Okay, don't give up yet. Alvin already helped 5-1. Very good, Alvin. How about others? Everybody you contribute a little bit. You see, got so many eyes here. 22 eyes here. Sure, you can find something. I cannot see one. Mr. Lai only 2 eyes. I'm the hunter. I will try to harm you all, but you can resist. You all can resist. You all can pangkang, menentang balik. Dual carbon atom. Wow, very good. Huiqiu. Yes, I like Huiqiu answer. Huiqiu, you are the best. Wow. So another sniper found already. Huiqiu. Your eyes is so good. Your eagle eyes. You can spot 2 carbon atoms. Yes, you see. Why don't have atom here? How cannot? And how can you didn't put atom here? It's not fair. You got hydrogen atom, you got oxygen atom. How can you only got 2 carbon here? Atoms. Remember, all these terms cannot skip one. Very important. Very good. Simplest mole ratio. We got simplest mole ratio. Okay, good. Alisa, very good. Alisa, now you wake up already, Alisa. Oh, my teacher so happy. Today you perform very good already. Just like what Alisa will done. Okay, simplest mole ratio, good. Yes, we must use the keyword simplest mole ratio. The more important, you don't have more. How can you represent? The mole ratio. Very good, Alisa. One more. Still not good enough. Still cannot get 4 marks. Okay, not good enough. Maybe Ateng, Vinesh, Ziwen, Azmi, Roxanne. Okay, see, we got so many different school students, so many top students here. Okay, so you all have to gather lah. See, still can't find it. Then, no choice. I have to leave it because no time already. See, your last question already lah. Cannot. Molecular formula show the actual number of the atom of each element in a whole. Which one? Show the actual number of. Show the actual number of atom of each element in a compound. Of atom first, right? With the bullet already, right? Okay, Jason, very good. Jason, you are good. So, confirm, Okay, our definition, you see the balik already. Cannot use, how can we put element first? Okay, it's impossible, right? Suppose we come first. Oh, this one not good lah. Okay, this is a deadly mistake. Thank you, Jason. Very good. The whole number ratio of this one should become with atom. Remember, atom first. Atom of what? Of element in what? In the compound. Compound is good. Okay, this one will be element. Can. Jason, is it like this? Okay. Very good, Jason. Well done, Jason. Done. Roxanne? Samantha? Mm-hmm. Oh, actual numbers. Actually, we don't need to for this, I don't think so already. Okay, no ratio for molecular formula. Yes. For ratio is for empirical. So actual whole number, actually we don't need to put any of ratio anymore. No need already. Okay. Number of atoms only. Okay, of each element in a compound. Very good. You see, all these small mistakes, clear your marks. Done. All gone, you see. All gone already. Okay, very good. Okay, so I think it's no more error already. Very good. Or you see, when I ask you question, I throw a question like this, you see, all of you can think. You can stimulate brainstorming. Actually, this way is the best way for you all to learn. Okay, not only you are tables fitting by spoon fitting by teacher only. Okay, you have to do more discussion like this. Okay, and one more thing I have to emphasize is every time the question asks you to define, you must remember to give definition. Must start with kata nama in front. Do you know what I mean? So your kata nama must put in the front. Okay, so or I can say the general nouns must be put in front. Okay, that means when I ask you apakah ialah empirical formula? Apakah ialah molecular formula? In front you must have the terms. Molecular formula ialah apa? You cannot just directly saling. Molecular formula is what? Okay, you have to tell molecular formula is what? Here, what can I put? Molecular formula is what? And then you only link to the explanation, definition. Must start with kata nama in front. Very good, Li Yi. Now I get you, Li Yi. Well done. That is what I want to emphasize. Don't underlook this thing. Sometimes you think this word is not important. This terms in front is not important. Gone. Okay, definition, no marks. Okay, molecular formula is the, like Li Yi say, you must mention apakah itu? Kata nama dia apa? Ialah chemical formula. Remember, this one important. Okay, baru you explain, show the whole number like this. This one don't forget. triple important. So triple important. Okay. Remember. Okay. Got any problem here? Okay. Whatever definition they ask you, depan mesti ada satu kata nama. You remember only. Okay. Like example, I ask you, what is catalyze, Alvin? Apakah itu catalyze? You kena cakap lah. Catalyze is apa? What is catalyze? So when you give explanation, yes, catalyze is to increase the rate of reaction. Then gone咯, tak ada marker咯. 0 mark already咯. So you see, that is the difference between the technique you need to use is important. Okay, all the knowledge you gain already, but you cannot express it. You cannot write down into answer in the exam. Gone. You study how many books also no use. Okay, you see. Catalyst. Okay.
Catalyst.
Thinking. Okay. You see. So what I want to emphasize is we need to have the keyword inside, kata nama in front. Okay, this is the important thing. At least you have to mention catalyst is what? Kamu tahu lah itu bahan kimia kan. So you say chemical substance that can increase the rate of reaction. Okay, without changing their chemical properties. Like this. Yes. Yes. You cannot say solution. It not necessarily solution. It can be powder. So when you try to define something, you have to be careful. Very be careful. Okay. Yes, substance can, Alvin. Okay. But this definition actually is wrong also. I cannot use this definition wrong. Why wrong? Samantha, why wrong? Anyone know? Actually, this definition is also not really exactly. Actually, the concept is wrong also. Even though I Google, but this answer not good. So what? Speed up same. When you say speed up means increase the rate, same meaning. This one increase the rate, same meaning with the speed up. Actually, it's same meaning, but still wrong. Yes, Samantha. Yes. But I cannot say over also. Samantha cannot. I cannot say lower also, Samantha. No also. You see, so today you learn a lot of things, different from the classroom also, because today you all having a brainstorming. You see, all you discussing already. You are now doing discussing. You are now doing the brainstorming. Actually, very good. Okay, very good to yourself. Okay, I like this way for you all to learn. Okay, not only based on teacher, you see. Samantha say lower the cannot. Also cannot. If they use this term, also definitely wrong. They ask you to define what is catalyst. Then you say speed up the reaction, chemical substance, increase the rate of reaction. No, cannot. No, not good. This definition not good. Sakenta, Q. Okay. So you see, we over so many times already. I always like this one. Too many things to discuss, but can't finish. So I back to the normal, back to this one. So okay, just now the keyword is the catalyst not only can increase, it can also decrease, Samantha. So we cannot use the word increase. Increase, this word is not good. We can use elder the rate of reaction. Remember? Okay. So we have positive catalyst or we have also negative catalyst. Pemangking yang negative one. Dia akan melambatkan proses. So you cannot use the word increase only. Remember lah. You want to put increase, can increase or decrease. So the definition is have to very clear, very specific. Remember lah. Yes, elder reaction. You are right. Okay, so I think we have to hurry up, finish this one, can? Anyone you have thing to do, you can leave. If you really rush, anyone rush, you can just tell Mr. Lai, sorry for delay. Can I continue? Shall we continue? Or you think it's too late already? Then we can leave it tomorrow. For this part only lah, no problem one. You can try again. See, so teacher, Mr. Lai, very happy you all here. Very good. If you all can more breath, a little bit breath, you can voice out more, then it's better, Ivan. Okay, never mind. Tomorrow I still can talk. Don't worry. Ivan, will you join me tomorrow? Ivan, will you join tomorrow? Okay, how you all feel today, class? I hope you all won't feel bored. Okay. So that's why I leave one more question to you all. So you have to do your brainstorming lah. You have to think what is this answer? One more, two more. I think two more mistakes inside. Okay, anyone can spot, then you just WhatsApp teacher also, no problem. So if you other maybe some of you are new members, okay. New members, you can join lah. If you really got time, I hope you can join all these 5 days. Especially tomorrow. Tomorrow we will continue the periodic table. Okay. All this chapter actually I can use a lot of the very tricky, very care-about question also. I can find out and test you all. You see, so today we will focus on this one too. Done already. Okay, tomorrow periodic table, chemical bond lagi banyak boleh test you all. Okay, hydrogen bonding, dative bond, all this new thing, new syllabus one can ask you a lot of things. So Form 5 one, you try not to skip class because you don't have so much time to waste. For the chapter acid and base lagi best. I can ask more about salt. I know salt is the most tough for you all. Okay, it's your great enemy. You try to defeat it, Alvin. If you try to defeat it, you definitely don't miss my class for this 5 days. How about Vinesh? I think if you really want to join, you can just fill in register form and inform Mr. Lai. Okay, I will add you inside the group also, so you can join. Alvin, good. Yes, tonight we will focus on this paper Amali. So for those already joined for the first workshop, actually you don't need to join lah. Okay, this topic more to the Amali technique, how to answer the question, how to write your answer in the definition, operational definition, hypothesis, inference, all these very important skill. You need to score, even though they are only 15 marks. Okay, you have to have mastered the skill and the common mistake also. Okay, but if you join 20 November workshop, then maybe you don't need to join already because Amali, half of the thing is same. Okay, this one, if you haven't joined last time, then better you get a chance. Okay, in these 2 hours, you can learn a lot, I believe it. Okay, try. Anyone interested, you can just message Mr. Lai. Okay, I think okay today lesson, is it too easier for you? Maybe the Form 4 you already very good, no problem already kan, tinggi. Okay. Sakenta how? Sakenta, you are a new person, right? Sakenta, okay. Yes. Okay, Sakenta, okay. You can just give a little bit feedback to Mr. Lai. Anything you think you want to learn more, or you think today track is not deeply enough? Maybe tomorrow I prepare lagi canggih punya track to track you all out. Hui-Q okay today. Samira, is it the learning style? You okay for today? too many thread are not good lah. Okay lah. And too many thread not good also. Okay lah. So tomorrow moderate lah. Tomorrow moderate level can. So already 3 lah. So you got any problem, you just message Mr. Lai lah. If you want the answer also, you can message me. I will send you the answer for today. Thank you, class, for joining class. Bye-bye. Okay, any questions?
Thank you, teacher.
Bye-bye. Asmi, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Waiman, bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.